Hi, hello, welcome to English class with me, Mr. Sam. So in this chance, we would like to study about a phrase asking for help. Means that's always useful for our daily. So without further ado, let's just get started. So you could see that from your screen is showing you pictures about a hand, means that this is a part of our body. But in English, hand is also defined as help. So hand means also a help. So instead of saying, could you help me please? Would you like to help me please? Or can you help me please? Or you need help? It's much better for you to say, give me a hand please. Or you need a hand. It sounds more native than say these phrases. So this one is much better.
Can you give me a hand?
Can you give me a hand?
Can you give me a hand?
Hey, can you give me a hand?
Hey, Rach, can you give me a hand with this box?
Can you give me a hand?
That's it for today. Bye bye.